7 amazing benefits of drinking magnetized water. All of us are hearing more and more about water. The human body is composed of about 65% water, and this needs to be replaced regularly. The normal function of the body parts is to keep us alive and going. The simple fact is that water is the means by which all of the body's functions continue to function. Many of the body's functions, though not necessarily complicated, are very elaborate in that they depend on water. Water, as the medium through which body actions occur, is the principle that helps create and sustain all the body's functions. The body needs water in order to digest food, assist with the removal of waste, carry nutrients, and maintain the body's temperature. Water also plays an important role in equipping the body with the necessary means with which to defend itself against infectious agents, as well as the drying and reduction of fine tremors and mucus. The many benefits of drinking water have been chronicled both in the lay press and the internet within the last decade or so. Sounds great, if you can believe it. Here is a list. I am trying to keep this somewhat realistic. 1. Body is heated above 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and much of this is conducted directly through the skin. Combining this with the fact that the surface of the body is mostly water, and rationalizing the errant heating/cooling of the body's surface with matter produced at the surface. This means that a loss of water in the body's surface layer implies a loss of some of the heat in the body. 2. Drinking an average of 4 to 6 glasses of water daily helps your body to excrete lime and phosphate from your system. These are the 2 commercial water treatment products that are thereby helping your economical well-being at the present. But these claims may not necessarily be true. 3. Drinking warm water can help your stomach to feel full faster and avoid snacking. Try placing a cube of ice on the surface of the warm water bottle and shaking it until it is totally frozen. 4. Your kidneys require a great deal of water. If your kidneys are not working to capacity, there is less need for the array of dialysis, and although it may not sound ideal, less water consumption equals fewer kidneys filtering. 5. Increase your fluid intake by 1 quart for every 25 pounds of excess weight that you are carrying. In other words, if you weigh 200 pounds, drink 100 ounces of water a day, or else you will spend some time in the operating room. 6. Drink at least 3 cups of water before you take any medications or supplements. This is to help the absorption of the particular tablets/capsules that you are taking. In addition, to help the kidneys flush out unwanted toxins, drink some water before and after you work out, in order to keep your body hydrated. 7. Cut down on your alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol causes dehydration, therefore, intense headaches and fatigue. As you can see, the importance of drinking water is paramount and readily apparent. And that's the message that needs to be passed on to others, plain and simple.